Yes, you can make money reselling digital products. This is becoming increasingly popular as digital products become more commonplace. Digital products are essentially items that are available online, often as downloads, rather than physical products. Examples of digital products include ebooks, music, software, online courses, and other digital learning tools. Because digital products don't require any physical storage or distribution, they can often be sold at a much lower cost than physical products. This makes reselling digital products a great way to generate additional income, as they can be sold at a higher price than what they originally cost. Reselling digital products is easy to do, and there are many different ways to do it. One of the simplest ways is to become an affiliate for a company selling digital products. You can then simply promote the products on your website or social media, and receive a commission whenever someone makes a purchase. You can also become an online reseller, which involves creating your own website to sell the products. This requires more work, but you can often earn a higher commission by selling the products yourself. Another way to make money reselling digital products is by creating your own products. This involves sourcing products from existing digital marketplaces, such as app stores and ebook stores. You can then create a website and promote the products, and when people buy them, you earn a commission. You can also create your own digital products and sell them directly to customers. Finally, you can also create digital products yourself, such as online courses or tutorials. This can involve writing a book, creating videos, and other types of digital products. This is a great way to generate additional income, as it allows you to set your own price and you have complete control over how you promote and sell your product.